In this walkthrough, we'll be covering the step-by-step installation of the TeamTrace Silent App on a Linux operating system. To begin, log in to the TeamTrace web platform. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section and select Download Apps. On the following screen, locate the Silent App category and choose the AppImage file compatible with Linux. From the list of available versions, select the latest AppImage file and proceed to download it. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Right-click on the file, select Properties, and enable the Executable as Program toggle. You can now launch the application. When the application opens, you'll be prompted to enter an installation key to proceed. To retrieve this, return to the TeamTrace web platform and navigate to Settings, Productivity, Global Settings, where the installation key will be displayed. Copy and paste it into the application. There is also an alternative login method using both the installation key and an employee code. To obtain your employee code, navigate to the My Profile section and copy your People ID. This serves as the employee code for the tracker. Once your credentials are entered, click Verify Credentials. A confirmation pop-up will appear stating that credential verification was successful. This same confirmation applies when installing the Silent Tracker using the installation key alone. Next, click Configure and enter your system's administrator password to authenticate. After a few moments, a final pop-up will appear confirming that the installation is complete. The tracker will now auto-start with your system. To confirm the setup, navigate to the Productivity tab in TeamTrace and open the Live People section. The newly added user for the Silent Tracker should now appear in the list. Please note that the Silent Tracker must be installed by an administrator. End users cannot install the application independently on their own systems. If a user wishes to review their own activity, they can navigate to the My Screenshots section within TeamTrace, where their recorded activity will be available for viewing.